What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So I was just trying to change the brake pads on my boyfriend's car, but they gave him the wrong brake pads, so whatever, I'm disgusting. But I just want to say we are finally doing my clutch for my car. So tonight we are going to be just kind of getting it ready, get the oil out, transmission oil out, and get it ready for the clutch for tomorrow. I'm gonna work on it all day tomorrow, and then yeah, hopefully by Saturday night it'll be done. But I'm gonna film just a little bit of it. Honestly, it's gonna be a lot, and then I have a 500-mile break-in period, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, so I'm gonna film as much as I can, but it is a long process, a lot, and we have no idea what we're doing. So come along with the journey, I guess, to see if my car falls apart after we put it in. So yeah. We are on my way to my mom's house for day 2 of doing the clutch. Just a couple things to do today, a lot of things to do. So yesterday we drained the transmission fluid out, and we took the exhaust off and dropped the transmission. So the transmission is out, and today we're just gonna be putting it all together and putting everything on. I do have a really bad oil leak, so I have to change the main seal. But yeah, my entire engine is literally covered in oil, and that's where it's coming from. So I'm gonna change that out while everything is apart anyways, because it's just easier. So I do have a 500-mile break-in period, so literally driving everywhere until we hit the 500 miles so I can go back to the track. But this is day 2, and hopefully it is done today and I can start driving my car. And then the hood is just a mess. If you follow me on Instagram, you see what has been happening. If you go on my Instagram, I posted a video. I ordered a hood. They sent me the wrong one after waiting for 26 weeks. And it's just literally just a clusterfuck, I guess. But yeah. But I did bring the dogs. Cody and TJ are in Advanced Auto getting a couple things. Oil, transmission, fluid, and another part. I don't remember, but another thing that we need. But yeah. I had to bring the dogs so they could go play. Hercules. the clutch is completely different. It's a lot different to drive. So like before, if like I could let go, if I let go of the clutch pedal just a little bit, like I could like roll up. Now like you don't. You have to give it some gas to be able to move, like at all. So it's different, but yeah. So my clutch was so bad that I had to ride the clutch a lot. So this is like completely different for me, and I'm trying to like get used to it and get like out of that pattern of how I used to drive. I do have a 500-mile braking period though, so I can't beat on it for 500 miles, and I'm not going to. I'm not going to be stupid. But there is one thing that I do want to say is I could not do this without them, without Cody and TJ. If it wasn't for them, this would have never got done. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm learning still, and that's okay to learn. You don't have to be able, you don't have to know everything about cars to be into cars. There is a difference of saying like, I'm into cars, and then let other people work on your car for you, and then you're not even involved. I believe, and it might just be my opinion because I don't know, but I believe that you can have other people do it and then show you. Be involved, get involved, you know, do the things that you know you can do, and if they want to walk you through something and you do it, or whatever you watch, be involved. Like, that's the best way to learn, is just being involved. Get your hands on some things. If you don't want to get your hands on, watch what they're doing. If you don't understand what they're doing, be like, hey, why are you doing that? What is that for? Like, there's things I did not know, and that's okay. Like, it's okay to learn, and it's okay not to know everything. But I think that's one thing that's really wrong with it, like the car community, is that if, especially with girls, if you don't know an answer to something, like, you're doing it for the wrong reasons, you're doing it for attention, whatever they have to say. But it's okay to learn. I didn't grow up learning cars. Like, I didn't have a dad to teach me that. I have a dad, but he's not like into that stuff. But he didn't teach me that, so I didn't grow up like that. So I started learning probably when I was around 18. But it's okay to learn. It's okay not to know everything. Oh my god, like it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, I don't know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.